Managing contacts on iPhone can be frustrating, especially when you want to delete a bunch at once. Well, in today's video, I will show you the fastest way to delete multiple contacts from your iPhone. No need to tap one by one. It's quick, easy, and works perfectly on iOS 26 or any recent update. Without wasting much of your time, let's jump straight into it. So this is how you can delete multiple contacts from your iPhone. Most of the time, many people find it difficult to delete multiple contacts unless they do it one after the other. But today, worry no more. I'm come to teach you the best way to delete multiple contacts from your iPhone. Let's head into our contacts. Now, you open the contacts. You see, there's no option here for you to select multiple or do multiple selection unless you do it one after the other. So, for example, if I want to delete the first contact, unless I long press, then I choose the delete icon here. But come to teach you how to select multiple contacts then delete. So what you have to do is you need to use your two fingers and then you tap on it, then you scroll down. As you can see, I have selected about 4 of them. So you can ignore the one you don't want to delete, then you move on, then the same two fingers. Good. So after that, you long press on any of them. Now as you can see, delete 8 contacts. So if I wanted to delete, I'll just press on delete. And that's how you easily delete multiple contacts from your iPhone in just a few seconds. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to TechGen Avenue for more quick iPhone tips, hidden features, and smart tech hacks every week. Drop a comment below if you want me to cover more iPhone tricks. I'm always reading your suggestions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.